Welcome to our Nepal Winter Travel Guide. In this video, we're diving into one of the most enchanting destinations in the world. Nepal is not just a country, it's an experience. From the majestic Himalayas to its vibrant culture, Nepal offers an unforgettable journey, especially in winter. Stick around for travel tips, must-visit spots, and everything you need to plan the perfect trip. Nepal, a landlocked country nestled in the Himalayas, has a history dating back thousands of years. It's the birthplace of Lord Buddha and home to Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. Once a monarchy, Nepal transitioned into a federal democratic republic in 2008. Its rich history is reflected in its ancient palaces, temples, and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Nepal is home to over 30 million people, with a blend of diverse ethnic groups, including the Newars, Sherpas, and Tamangs. This diversity creates a mosaic of traditions, festivals, and languages. While Nepali is the official language, you'll hear over 120 regional languages and dialects. The predominant religion is Hinduism, followed closely by Buddhism. Nepalese culture is deeply rooted in spirituality and hospitality. Visitors often experience tika ceremonies, where blessings are given with red powder, or enjoy vibrant festivals like Dashain, Tihar, and Holi. Traditional music, dance, and attire add to the richness of the local experience. Remember to greet people with a warm namaste, showing respect and gratitude. Winter in Nepal, December to February, is chilly but magical. In Kathmandu Valley, temperatures range from 2 degrees to 20 degrees, while higher altitudes can drop below freezing. The skies are clear, offering spectacular views of snow-capped mountains. It's an ideal time for trekking and exploring the serene landscapes. Top travel destinations in winter. Number 1, Kathmandu Valley. Explore the historic Durbar squares, Swayambhunath, Monkey Temple, and Pashupatinath Temple. Number 2, Pokhara, known for its tranquil lakes and views of the Annapurna Range. Number 3, Chitwan National Park, a haven for wildlife lovers, offering jungle safaris and elephant encounters. Number 4, Everest Base Camp. Trek, a bucket list adventure for trekking enthusiasts. Number 5, Nagarkot, a peaceful retreat for sunrise and mountain views. Must-try local foods. Nepalese cuisine is hearty and flavorful. Here are some must-try dishes. Dal bhat, a traditional meal of lentil soup, rice, and vegetables. Momo, dumplings stuffed with meat or vegetables. Thukpa, a warm noodle soup perfect for winter. Sel roti, a sweet rice-based donut often enjoyed with tea. Gundruk, fermented leafy greens served as a side dish. Pair these meals with local drinks like masala chai or roxy, a traditional liquor. Nepal is a winter wonderland waiting to be explored. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment, adrenaline-pumping adventures, or simply the warmth of its people, Nepal has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!